Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this week we are going to unbox, both Hot Wheels and a Majorette as well. So it's like a mix. So let's start with this one. So this is the Hyundai i30. I actually liked it because the rims looked really nice, and I didn't have this casting in my collection. So I just thought, okay, why not buy it and see. So and next would be the neon speeders. So I was really unlucky because I'm not able to get the recent castings nowadays. So even the shops where I go, they are not getting that much. So I bought actually five pieces of this. I mean, there are like three more still remaining. I mean, I don't have the Copo Camaro, Porsche, and the Lancer. You can see here. So these I don't have. So even these particular ones, some of my friends bought it for me. And here is the second one. So the Toyota AE86 Corolla. So the paint job on this looks really nice since it's a neon speeders version. And here is the 98 Honda Prelude. So this looks really good. And the Mazda RX-7. And last one, so the BMW 2002. Actually, this is a full metal casting. It's actually very heavy. So I'm really waiting to unbox this one. So this week we are going to unbox all these cars. And stay tuned for this, guys. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.